Like this.
Tell me.
She was like this.
Oh.
Cinderella. And then he was like this, down, 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 round. Like that, down.
Wow.
And they're bad.
Who's bad?
When that blue one.
What blue one?
Like who her Cinderella pants.
Mm-hmm.
And then she goes down the stairs like this. Then she goes to the water. When that jail, a big jail like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then to say get her out. Then she go to a boat, and the king and the prince come to save her when the course hit him. And then the course throw him there. Then he goes Then he get the sword to break that paper. Then he saves Cinderella.
Oh, wow.
And then he go to a boat to when Cinderella is.
But he saved her. That's good.
And then he gives her a hug.
Oh.
He
Who?
gives her a hug. And he saved her.
Oh, that's the prince?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Prince. And Ariel, when that dress, she's pretty. And
Ariel? I thought we were talking about Cinderella.
she's in here. Ariel, here. I tell you about here. In here. You see? A puppy to a her.
Oh.
And let's see. Ew, look at Kirby! Ew, look at.
The puppy's licking her?
Yes, but he wants to
He did what?
do Bob on her.
Show me what he did.
He wants to spin Cinderella.
No, you have to do what he did. You have to show me.
Then he wants to do like that. I tell you to Prince Harry. Look at. She loves the prince. You see, Prince Eric, I have that toy.
Oh, yeah?
We have that toy, but we didn't have her. We didn't have Ariel. I just have a doll
Oh.
to Ariel, but I don't have anymore.
Oh.
So you need to buy me one this doll.
Excuse me? I need to buy you one.
Yes, you need to buy me one Ariel. You need to buy me Ariel. So he and to Cinderella, he comes to hold her like that to the stairs.
Oh, okay.
Then he wants to do that to her, and then press. And then he wants to do it. Press.
Press what? I got it.
Camera.
It's going.
And then he was like that. Then the prince get, and then the bad guy like that.
Oh, wow. Okay, say bye.
Bye.